konting kembot na lang exam na. Topic ngayon is analytic geometry. Find the equation of a line that passes through points 1, 2, and 3, 4. So to solve this problem, dapat aware tayo sa equations of a line. So if given ang slope and my point, we have the equation y minus y sub 1 is equal to m multiplied by x minus x sub 1. Pero since sa question natin is given yung dalawang points, we are going to use this equation. Parehas lang naman sila pero iba lang yung pagre-represent ng m dito. Kasi yung value ng m is equal din, pwede din maging ganito yung value niya. Itong y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So yan ang m. Kasi yung m natin, yan yung slope. So first, let's define our given muna para mas organized ba. So we have 1 as x sub 1, 2 as y sub 1, 3 as x sub 2, and 4 as y sub 2. So yun, ganun lang kadali. Substitute lang natin ito dito. So ganyan na siya pag nag-substitute ka ng values dito. So 4 minus 2, 2. 3 minus 1, 2. So 1 lang to. Copy lang natin since 1 lang naman to. Add both sides by 2 para maka-cancel ito. Negative 1 plus 2 is 1. So we have the equation of a line y is equal to x plus 1. So letter A.